Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, NBHMT, IFR. That's kind of entrance examinations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the question paper of IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper, and the question is telling us, suppose our x is approximated by the normal distribution of 0, 4, and our y is uh, approximated by the normal distribution of 0, 9 are independent random variables. Then the value of probability when our n x square plus 4y square is less than 6 is, there are four options here, which are 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by 9, 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by 12, 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by 4, and 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by 6. Okay. So let us see what can be done with this. So we are given two independent random variables which are and so our variance of x is equals to 4 and our y is this. So our variance of y is equals to 9. Okay. So for this our sigma x is equals to 2, and for this our sigma y is equals to 3. So now we are tasked with finding the value of the probability when our nx square plus 4y square is less than 6. So we are going to rewrite the inequality. So our inequality is this. N rather I would write nx square plus 4y square less than 6. So that can be rewritten as nx square by 6 plus 4y square by 6 less than 1. So that will be what? We can also write it as x square by 6 by 9 or y square by 6 by 4 less than 1, or some multiplication and something if happens, then we will get x square by 2/3 whole square plus y square by 3 by 2 whole square less than 1. This represents the equation of an ellipse in xy plane. Okay. So now we are going to transform x and y to the standard normal variables. So what can be done with this? So then let us call it our u be x by 2 and our v be y by 3. Okay, so then our u can be approximated by n01, and our v can be approximated by normal distribution of also 0, 1. So the inequality, which is written as nx square plus 4y square less than 6, becomes n into 2u whole square plus 4 into 3v whole square minus 6, sorry, less than 6. So that will be what? So we can easily see that that is 9 into 2 square. So 9 into 4. So that will be 36 u square. Plus we got 4 into 3 square. We know 3 square is 9. So we also get 36 v square less than 6. So from these two, we can take common the 36 from the both. So we would get 36 u square plus v square less than 6. So we would get now u square plus v square less than 1 by 6. So thus we need to compute the probability when our u square plus v square is less than 1 by 6. Okay. So now we are going to use the chi-square distribution. So the sum u square plus v square follows a chi-square distribution with 2 degrees of freedom, denoted chi2 square. And the cumulative distribution function, that means the CDF of chi2 square will be what? That is given, that will be our probability when u square plus v square is less than t equals to 1 minus e to the power minus t upon 2. So now we have to substitute t as 1 by 6. So then we would get probability when our u square plus v square is less than 1 by 6 is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by 6 whole by 2. So that will be 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by 1. So the final answer, that means the probability of 9x square plus 4y square less than 6 will be 1 minus e to the power minus 12 minus 1 by 12. Okay. So this is in our option B. So again, I am telling that if you have any other queries, any other doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our as a student to our institute. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.